Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the front left burner orifice on your stove. The reason why you might have to replace this orifice is because it's clogged, causing you to get a small flame or no flame at all. For this repair, you'll need a ratchet with a 7mm socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. We're going to remove all the stuff off the stove top. So this brass piece right here is going to be our orifice. To remove it, we're going to be using a 7mm socket, and we're going to loosen that up. And once it's loose, you can unscrew it the rest of the way by hand. And just keep in mind that you want to be careful and don't drop the orifice into the stove. So there's our old orifice right there. Now, grab your new OEM replacement orifice. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And to put the orifice in, all we have to do is take it by hand, screw it in as much as you can. Then tighten it the rest of the way with your ratchet. Also keep in mind, you don't want to over tighten it, just tighten it so that it's tight enough. And if you start seeing anything move, that's when you're going to stop. So now I'm going to put all the burners and the burner caps back on. And to do that, you just simply have to line up the holes here with the starter, and it slips right on. Then the burner cap will go on. And if you want, you can try and do it fancy like this without even having to take the burner cap off. Just line it up, slip it on. Now, grab your oven grates, set those back on top, and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.